Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the laptop off and unplugging every cable. Once done, remove the battery and any SIM or WAN cards so nothing powers the board. Ground yourself with an ESD strap or touch the metal chassis for a few seconds to avoid static damage. Next, remove the 8 Phillips screws securing the bottom cover, keeping them organized by location. Then pry the rear edge up gently. Work forward until the cover lifts free. This exposes the keyboard screws, and once the bottom is off, you need to access the keyboard ribbon and its ZIF connector. Make sure you can see the small latch and flip it up gently. This releases the flat cable. Then remove any screws holding the top bezel or keyboard to the chassis and tip the keyboard forward toward the screen to expose hidden plugs. Carefully unplug the backlight and power ribbons by lifting their latches. You're removing several fragile cables, so move slowly and note each connector's orientation for reassembly. With cables disconnected, you can lift the keyboard out of the chassis, checking clips and screw posts so nothing tears. When reinstalling, reverse the sequence. Place the keyboard, reconnect backlight and power ribbons, lock each ZIF latch and reinstall screws. Make sure cables sit flat and align to avoid pinching. Before snapping the bottom cover back on, power up and test every key. If a key or backlight fails, power down and reseat the cable, or inspect the connector for debris or bent contacts. Then retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.